Everything that we did subsequently in terms of diversification, our sources of strength really came from our closeness to the Indian market, our closeness to the Indian consumer,
Right, the
and our
understanding.
infrastructure in India. And that is how our focus became India.
How did you get into ITC?
How did I get into ITC? I was at IIT Delhi,
Yes.
and there was we got a letter from then Imperial Tobacco that they want people and they were going to come for interview. So I applied while I was in college.
Right.
And
Wasn't the only company you must have applied for?
yeah,
Or was
those
it?
days jobs were very scarce, Sherry. As you know, in the years 68, many people they went abroad because they were in jobs in India,
True.
or they went to an IIM to do a
A management
management
course.
degree because they couldn't find a job straight out of an engineering degree. So I had applied like many others, and they came to the campus. I almost missed it because my scooter broke down when I came for the interview.
What a
The
miss it
interview-
would have been.
Yeah, interviews were over, and I had to, I was arguing with Air Commodore RHD Singh, who was the placement officer.
I see.
And he said, "I'm sorry, the interviews are over. You should have been here 2 hours ago." But then the gentleman who was there from ITC, he heard me argue, and he said, "No, I'll interview this young man." And it so happened that I was the only one picked up
Oh, wow.
out of IIT Delhi for this. So yes, I think there were many a slip between the cup and the lip, and ultimately
True.
I managed it. Yeah.
But in your course at ITC, it's been a permanent story. There's been never looking back. In between, though, you did sort of steer away from ITC just for a little period when you were handling Air India, for example.
No, I see. How it happened was that Shri Madhavrao Scindia, when he became the Minister for Civil Aviation, he was looking for somebody to turn around Air India. I was a young man, and
How old were you then?
I was, I think, 44. And
And to manage
said,
an Indian national carrier would have been quite a prestigious
yeah,
thing.
so I said, look, I am wedded to ITC. And my career I see in ITC. So I'll have to go and check with my chairman. And when I did, my chairman wasn't very enthusiastic. He said, look, we are looking for succession in ITC, and you should go and tell him that you are not able to do it. I said, look, I'm not going to be able to say that I can't do it.
Yeah.
You tell him you can't release me.
Okay.
So
And he didn't want to do
ultimately,
that
He didn't
either.
want to do that either. So ultimately, Mr. Scindia got through to him and said that you claim so much about generating talent for India.
Yeah.
And I'm only asking for one man, and you are dithering. So ultimately, I was released on a lien,
Okay.
and I went there to do what I could. So you could create a national enterprise where